Uh, so next one is characteristics of NPN transistor using common emitter, common base and common collector. So there are three experiments in this circuit. Characteristics of NPN transistor using common emitter, common base, common collector. So now we have to study about common emitter. So in this common emitter, already you know about the study about BJT. So in this BJT transistor, so base, collector and then emitter. There are three terminals are there. So this is common emitter circuit. So in
107.
BC107. So the transistor name is BC107. So the input is given that regulated power supply. There are two RPS supply, 0 to 30 volt, 0 to 30 volt. So the positive connection is given to that of 1 kilo ohm resistor, is given to that of ammeter and then voltmeter connected to the base current. So the input is given as base current. So the output is called collector as well as emitter. The emitter will be ground. So for example, common emitter means emitter will be ground. So the common collector means collector will be ground. So the C means collector is given to that of negative supply connected to ammeter and then voltmeters, given to of 1 kilo ohm resistor collector current and then given to regulated power supply and then plus and minus. So there are two characteristics. One is input characteristics, another one is output characteristics. So these input characteristics, this is called input side, this is called output side. In this input characteristics, the output side will be constant. Output voltage will be constant. So in this output voltage means that is called VCE. So input characteristics means the output voltage will be constant. VCE will be constant. The input VBE, base emitter voltage will be vary the voltage. The current will be increased. So this is input characteristics. Output characteristics means the input current will be constant. So input current will be constant, IB. So input current IB, input current will be constant. So VCE, when increasing the voltage VCE, collector current will be noted in the reading. Okay, so this is the characteristics, input characteristics and output characteristics. Already I told that input characteristics means the output voltage will be constant. So VCE will be constant, the VB input voltage IB will be varying. Output characteristics means output current will be constant, input will be varied, VCE and the IC. So this is the circuit diagram and then characteristics and tabulation. Now we will do the experiment. So this is the BJT transistor. This is called common, this is called emitter and then this is base. So there are three terminals are there. Already I told that the regulator power supply, the regulator power supply positive is connected to that of 1 kilo ohm resistor. 1 kilo ohm negative is connected to the IB, base current. After that is given to that of collector. So voltmeter means this is VBE. So this is VB. The both are is called as input. This both are is called as output. So VBE and then base current IB. So this is called VCE and then IC current. So 0 to 100 milliamps, 0 to 50 milliamps. This is 0 to 1 volt and then 0 to 30 volt. So the input, the positive supply is connected to the negative terminal is connected to ground. Positive is connected to the drain or base or voltage. At the base, emitter is grounded to negative. After that is given to the voltage. The positive supply is connected to 1 kilo ohm resistor. The negative is connected to automatically will be given to ammeter positive value, that means VC. Okay, so now we are first of all we are going to the input characteristics. The input characteristics means the output voltage will be constant. So this is called input characteristics, input voltage and current. This is output voltage current. So we vary the first RPS. Output voltage will be constant. Output voltage. So we have to initially okay. So this is input characteristics. So in this input characteristics, I have to input output voltage will be constant. This is called VCE. So this is called 2 volt. So, VC equal to 2 volt. VC equal to 2 volt constant. So I have to vary with this voltmeter VBE. This is VBE. This is IB, base current. So you have to vary with BC. So initially 0, 0.1, 0.4, 0.6, point up to 0.7, 0.6. 0.61. So 0.6. So VBE 0.6. The base current will be 0. Next one 0.62. The base current will be 1. Next 0.64. The base current will be 2. Next 0.65. The base current will be 3. So 0.7, the base current will be 5. So this is the maximum up to 0.8. So 0.8, the maximum current will be 15. So that will be increased. So in this input characteristics, you will note about the output voltage. So VCE will be constant for 2 volt. We will increase the voltage VBE, the constant will be increased, current will be increased. So this is the input characteristics. So input characteristics, VCE1 constant voltage, that is called 2 volt is constant. When we will increase the VBE 0.660, 0.611, so 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 18 watt. So that is will increase the current. So when will increase the base emitter voltage, when will increase the current. So this is called input characteristics. Students, next one we are going for output characteristics. So in this output characteristics, only one difference. So in the output characteristics, the output characteristics, only one difference. So in this, instead of milliamps, we have to change it, replaced by the microamps. So in this output characteristics, 0 to 100 microamps. So microamps. So in this output characteristics, base current will be constant. So input current will be constant. So this is called input. This is called output. The input base current will be constant. So I have to vary with this one. Fine adjustment of fine value. So base current will be So next one is output characteristics. The output characteristics means the input current will be constant. So this is input current, base current. I have to adjust it with input base current. So base current IB. So I have to constant for 25, constant for 40. So base current 40 amps, base current 40 amps. Instead of voltage 0, for 0, the value will be 1. 0.5, I have to the current reading will be 2. So after that 0.5, 2.5, current will be 2, 5, 2. So after that 10, 2. So instead of the output characteristics, the input current will be constant, base current IB will be constant for 40 amps, 40 count. So the output voltage, collector emitter voltage will be increased from 0, 0.5, 2.5, 5, 10, increase with the voltage. The constant current will be constant 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So initially the output voltage, the collector emitter voltage will be varying the voltage. The output current, base current IB1 will be constant. So IC1 and IC2 will be constant at the constant of base emitter voltage. So this is output characteristic. Same like that, common collector as well as common base. So in this common collector, instead of microamps, you have to instead place it will be milliamps. In this common collector, the input voltage, collector will be ground. The input voltage, so input voltage VCE will be constant and IB will be increase the voltage, output will be VCE and decrease the voltage. So the same graph. So common collector, same likewise common base.